Once upon a time, in a far, far away galaxy, there was a blue planet called Earth, where it was inhabited by some strange creatures known as humans. All started in the northern middle part of the planet in Irish territories, where Rockford Manor areas were having some investigations. Some of the people from here analyzed the water and its areas for knowing the surface impact in the school, so like that they will know what problems to change. All started one day, where cats and dogs were raining, and they observed the issues that the school floor had. The first thing that they did was mapping their school. During their research, they went around the school and used a trundle wheel and performed calculations to work out the area. In total, it was 12.144 meters square. After doing all of this, they observed that the grass areas around the school were very permeable, while areas such as car parks or basketball courts that are made from tarmac are not very permeable at all.
To measure the amount of rainfall, they set up a rain gauge from Glove Island in a high open area on a pool. Each day, around the same time of the day, they check the amount of rainfall in the rain gauge. They also record the weather conditions.
Thirdly, they observed the risk of flooding. After a full day of rain, they went outside around the school grounds to check where the flooding had occurred. The main areas of flooding were in a few parking spaces in the car park, which made these spaces unusable. Also, some drains overflow and blocked with leaves, or the grass area behind the school got very soggy and underfoot.
After all of this, they did a table information where all the important data appear.
Then, they also did a brainstorm where they decided to resolve these issues and make benefits. So, their weird and creative ideas were adding planters, permeable pathways made up of pebbles, stepping stones, and rain garden borders, a rainfall planter or micro ponds instead of the barrel, water baths, rain walls or roofs, or even planters around the drains.
When they finished, they decided to make a summary poster for placing all the things that they did in this wonderful and green project. In the end, they all live happily